What up, guys? Josh Diaz with a unboxing of the 3-in-1 folding wireless charger from Murpiso. Shout out to them for sending me this charger. We're just gonna check it out. What's cool about this is not only can it charge your phone, but it does charge your smartwatch and your AirPods. So we're just gonna unbox this and check it out. This is a great wireless charger. It is available on Amazon. There's the screenshot right there. So we take it out the case, and it has a really nice case already. I like the feel. Protects the charger if you do go traveling with it. And you open it up. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we do have USB-A to USB-C. It's pretty cool. We do have the charger plug here. I like that orange there. It's really nice. And here goes the charger itself. Okay, the charger is open. So here it is when it's all folded up. And it is still pretty thin and light. Then you open it up here, and there you go. This is it, fully open. You got your phone here, AirPods here, and this is for the watch, and it does turn upright, so you could use it for at night. You can see the time, set an alarm, and everything like that. So let's plug this in and see how this works. Okay, we are all plugged in. You can see we got some glowing lights on this charger. These lights do have a meaning. It did come with this piece of paper. You touch the lights, turn it on and off. The green light is always on, and when it is charging the device, you'll see a blue light flashing, and when the device is fully charged, the blue light will stay on. And if there's an error, you'll get a blue light and green light. All right, so let's put some devices on this charger, see how it works. So I got my iPhone here. There we go. We're in business. We're charging. Now, got some AirPod Pros here. Put it in. Now we're charging. Now, got my watch on. Let's take it off, place it on the charger. We're charging. So right now we're charging all 3 devices simultaneously. It's really cool. And like I said, you could put this upright and you could have it on for nighttime, for a nightstand mode. This is here, the MagSafe Duo from Apple. You can see the size. It's about similar, but with this, you can just only charge 2 things. As opposed to this, you could charge your AirPods too. It does say for the phone, but you can place your AirPods there, and you can place the phone here if you want. Or if you have 2 iPhones, you can charge both iPhones at the same time. So that's pretty cool. So I have all 3 devices charging, and you see that blue light is flashing. So if it's nighttime, you could just press that just so the light won't, bother you in the dark. But if you like the way it looks, just leave it on. It could be like a little night light or something. So this is the size of the device when it's all folded up. Just compare it to the MagSafe Duo. Still really small and compact. So there are 3 different ways of using this charger. Is the flat way, which I just showed you. There is this way, where if you just need to charge your phone, you just throw it on the charger and you're good. And there's a 3-dimensional horizontal charging. 3-dimensional mode, what you want to do is you put the watch charger upright, fold, do it this way so the wire is not in the way. You fold it right here. These 2 flaps are magnetic. They will stick together and you are all good. You want to lay it, this will be the bottom. Put this here, take your watch, put it on there, good to go. And then with the phone, I did find that it's better to not have a case on, or maybe have a MagSafe case, because with my case, I did find that it was falling off the charger. So this is without the case, and you can see it is steady. All right, guys, so for like 43 bucks, you do get everything you see here, except for the Apple devices. You get the travel case, the charger, the adapter, and the USB-A to USB-C cable. So I think it is a good price. For the Apple one, you are looking at almost $130, and you only get 2 charging options. You just get the phone and the Apple Watch here. With this, you get that extra 3rd charging pad, and you could charge 2 phones if you want. It doesn't have to be just the AirPods. So you're looking at saving over $100 with tax and stuff. So I think this is definitely a good option. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Check you guys in the next video. Peace.